I am thriving in my current job. I love my work and feel fulfilled daily. I got promotion I deserve with ease. My boss respect and value my work. I communicate clearly and confidently at work. I am free from all workplace stress. I feel safe, seen and supported at my job. I am paid abundantly for what I do. I have healed all fear of losing my job. I attract helpful and supportive teammates. I always meet deadlines with ease. My ideas are appreciated and implemented. I handle pressure with grace and clarity. I have healed my imposter syndrome. I am recognized for my unique talents. I enjoy every workday with balance and peace. My career is growing exactly how I visioned. I got the job that's aligned with my soul. I have released all fear of being judged at work. I trust my growth and path fully. I am free from burnout and overwhelm. My managers support my career development. I have a perfect work-life balance. I am now surrounded by positive, uplifting coworkers. My salary has increased to match my worth. I handle feedback with calm and openness. I have healed all anxiety around meetings. I confidently speak up in discussions. I feel powerful and capable in every task. I love let go of fear of public speaking. I feel stable, grounded, and supported in my job. I get new exciting opportunities every week. I have moved beyond toxic office politics. I feel peaceful no matter what others say. My work is meaningful and appreciated. I attract joy and growth at work daily. I feel empowered to ask for what I deserve. I am now doing what I love full time. I stay calm, centered, and under pressure. I have healed my fear of failure at work. My skills are growing rapidly and effortlessly. I attract mentors who guide me with wisdom. I have overcome comparison and trust my unique path. I am no longer afraid of making mistakes. I am surrounded by abundance and opportunities. I have successfully overcome my job insecurity. I loved learning new things and expanding my role. I am fully aligned with my purpose at work. My contributions make a big difference. I feel proud and confident in my career. I am always in the right place at the right time. I grow through every challenge with grace. I have released all doubts about job. I work with ease, efficiency and excellence. I inspire others through my work and attitude. I am deeply respected by peers and leaders. I have healed all need for external validation. I no longer carry past job trauma. I walk into work feeling happy and empowered. I have attracted a job that honors my value. My coworkers love working with me. I feel safe to be myself at work. I now work in a calm, focused mindset. I solve problems with creativity and calm. I enjoy peace and purpose in every task. I have healed fear of competition. I trust my voice and ideas fully. I show up my highest self every day. I have created supportive, joyful work environment. I allow myself to receive success with ease. I have healed my fear of career growth. I enjoy being seen and celebrated at work. I always attract the right client and opportunities. I make decisions with clarity and confidence. I no longer fear deadlines or targets. I have created a job that energizes me. I confidently lead and inspire my team. I have healed fear of leadership and authority. I welcome promotions and raises with joy. I feel relaxed and focus at work. I handle uncertainty with trust and flow. I know I am making a powerful impact. I wake up excited to start work. I express my creativity through my career. I have built an inspiring and stable career path. I am fully appreciated for who I am. I feel proud of how far I have come. I believe in my endless potential. I am now working in my dream company. I have healed all self doubt about my career. I attract the best client and collaborations. I am thriving financially and professionally. I enjoy healthy boundaries and balance at work. I feel inspired, empowered, and ready to grow. I have found my flow and rhythm at work. I have released all stress and around office politics. I now work with harmony, peace, and success. I am fully booked, fully valued, and fully aligned. I fully, deeply, I feel deeply fulfilled in my role. I radiate success, confidence, and joy at work. I have created the perfect job for my soul. I am now working with ease, trust, and flow. I feel empowered to rise and lead. I have healed all block around success. I receive consistent praise and recognition. I am now seen, celebrated, and well compensated. I am living my ideal career reality. My career is reflection of my healed, powerful self. Thank you.